Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Mailchimp on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mailchimp application on your device and then tap through the next button and you will see the login button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your username within the username section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So check your inbox and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter within this step. After entering the code, you will be logged into your account on your iOS device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Mailchimp account on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.